Imagine grabbing your morning coffee without digging for coins. No wallet, no card, no physical interaction at all. You simply approach the counter, perform a single tap with your device, and the transaction is already finished. Or perhaps you just scan a small QR code on the counter. In seconds, you are walking away with your drink. Millions of people across the globe are adopting this seamless lifestyle every single day. It makes us stop and wonder, is the physical cash we have used for centuries slowly disappearing? To understand where we are going, we must look back at how we used to handle our daily finances. Years ago, cash was the undisputed king of commerce. It was everywhere you looked in your daily life. People carried thick wallets stuffed with paper notes and heavy metal coins to cover every small purchase. Every shop, from the local bakery to the corner store, relied entirely on physical currency to function. It was the standard way to pay, providing a tangible sense of value that everyone understood perfectly. But as the world became more connected, technology began to reshape our fundamental habits of exchange. The invention of the bank card marked the first major shift in how we moved our money around. Suddenly, you no longer needed to carry exact change or worry about receiving the right coins back. You simply swiped your card through a terminal, and the machine handled the math for you instantly. This made the shopping experience significantly faster and more reliable for both customers and business owners. People also felt a new sense of security, preferring to carry a thin plastic card over a bulky, visible wallet. This convenience paved the way for even more radical innovations in the world of financial technology. Then came the QR code, a small but incredibly powerful tool that bridged the gap between physical and digital. It looks like a simple square of static, but it changed the landscape of global payments forever. Today, you can buy lunch, pay for a taxi ride, or settle a bill just by scanning a code. It is efficient, accessible to anyone with a camera, and remarkably fast for everyone involved in the trade. Soon after, our smartphones evolved into sophisticated digital wallets that we carry with us everywhere. Dedicated apps made managing money easier, allowing people to leave their homes with only their mobile device. The phone became the central hub for our financial lives, replacing the need for traditional leather wallets. Another key technology driving this change is NFC, or Near-Field Communication, which powers our contactless payments. It sounds like a complex technical term, but the user experience is designed to be completely effortless. You simply bring your phone or your smart card near a reader, and the connection is made instantly. The payment happens in mere seconds, often faster than you can put your phone back into your pocket. Behind every single tap, a complex and amazing process occurs in the background of the digital network. Your bank immediately checks your available balance to ensure the funds are ready to be transferred. The payment is verified through secure channels, and the shop receives an instant confirmation of the sale. All of this happens in the blink of an eye, creating a seamless exchange that feels like magic. Digital wallets are becoming more popular every year, integrating into our daily routines more deeply. These apps do more than just pay. They store your credit cards, transit tickets, and gift cards. They even keep track of your loyalty rewards, keeping everything you need in one secure, digital place. Online shopping has also drastically changed our habits, moving commerce away from the physical storefront. You can now purchase almost anything from anywhere in the world without ever stepping outside your door. With just a few taps and a secure payment, your order is processed and on its way to you. Have you noticed how many small shops now display QR codes right at their checkout counters? From busy street vendors to local farmers markets, digital payments are no longer reserved for big businesses. Almost everyone can now accept these payments, lowering the barrier to entry for small, independent merchants. This widespread adoption is transforming the economy, making digital transactions the new global standard. So does this mean that physical cash will disappear from our society entirely in the near future? Not necessarily, as many people still prefer the tangibility of cash for personal budgeting and privacy. Some communities and older generations still depend heavily on physical money to manage their daily needs. Furthermore, during power outages or internet failures, cash remains a reliable backup for essential transactions. It provides a sense of security when the digital infrastructure we rely on faces unexpected technical hurdles. The future of money may be even more surprising as we continue to push the boundaries of innovation. Some stores are already accepting payments via smartwatches, making the process even more integrated into our bodies. Others are testing advanced facial recognition systems that allow you to pay simply by looking at a screen. New payment technologies are being tested and refined around the world to make our lives even easier. Paying may soon become even faster and more intuitive than we ever imagined was possible. Technology keeps changing how we use money, constantly refining the way we value and exchange goods. From paper notes to plastic cards, and now mobile phones, every step has made payments more convenient. What comes next could completely change the way we interact with money in the years to come. We're moving toward a world where money is becoming increasingly invisible, instant, and highly secure. Cash changed the world for centuries, and digital money is now changing it all over again. Today, a simple tap or a quick QR code scan can complete a complex payment in just seconds. As technology continues to evolve at this pace, the future of money may be closer than we think. We are witnessing a fundamental shift in human commerce that will define the way we live tomorrow.